Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you actually have the sound recorder available. It won't appear mid-mission unless you brought it. Open your inventory, assign the recorder to one hand and a light to the other so you can see controls once inside. Once done, approach the objective room cautiously and equip the recorder. You want it active before the ghost reacts. Make sure to pocket it while moving to avoid noise, and then ready it by the doorway when you enter to begin capturing audio evidence. Once equipped, set the recorder where it can pick up ambient sound. Chest height and facing the room center works best to capture ghostly vocalizations and subtle knocks. Then, use brief loud prompts, clapping, calling the ghost's name, or asking simple yes/no questions. Then pause and listen. Many responses happen within 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure to note timestamps when you hear spikes, because that detail helps you correlate sound with EMF or motion camera events later, and it speeds up evidence classification. To finish, review your recorded clips either in the mission UI or back at the truck, and label anything that contains intelligible words or distinct anomalies. Those clips are your evidence. Then, submit audio alongside matching clues like EMF or visual proof to raise confidence in your identification. If you get nothing, troubleshoot. Make sure the recorder wasn't blocked by objects, try different room angles, reduce background noise sources, and retest. Recorders fail when too far from the source, or when ambient noise drowns out faint sounds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.